What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem still here. Now in this video I'm going to do a little review of this clock right here. As you can see now, this is a very special neat clock because it just lightweight. I love how it just small and tiny, which basically can do what it does till the time. Now this is very neat and definitely something that you can use like beside your bed. This does not have any alarm though, but it will work just fine. So this is a insert clock. So if you have any figure at home or any DIY project that you want to insert this in, this will work quite fine. So what you must do, you must know the exact size for this to work in that DIY project of yours, like any furniture that you carve out, or you can put this inside. Or if not, you can choose to like lay it on the table. It will work quite fine as well. Now on the back right here, you can see that it have a little hook right here. Now this can like hang on the wall like a small nail or something like that. It's very neat, and I was sent this to do my honest little review of this little neat packet right here. Now this part right here can pull off. Now once you pull off this part right here, you can see that it has a battery compartment, so you can put the battery on here. And for this to work, you can just spin this part right here to adjust the clock. As you can see, once you spin it, it will set the time right there, and then you can put our battery inside. Now what this uses is the AAA batteries, which is 15 volt. I have some right here. This does not come in the package, so you have to purchase that separately. Now as you can see, just line up the battery perfectly inside, just like so, and right there it should be working. As you can see right there guys, it's sticking. And it tell the time perfectly. Just something like having your home, as I said earlier, just to just show the time. And it's pretty neat. I'm loving it. You can adjust it right here. It just works quite fine. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.